Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about a situation. Let's say when you design something to print in 3D printer and let's say you forget to add hole just like that here. What are the options we have inside Bambu Lab to modify our part? For example, adding a hole in the bottom. So here let me show you some of the options that can help you to quickly modify your geometry, such as addition of this hole. For that, simply make a right click, and then here you're gonna see this negative part that can actually be helpful for subtracting this main model. So I'm gonna click here on add negative part, and then from here I can select any of these analytical shape. So let's go with cylinder, and I'm gonna click OK. Now here you can see in our list of objects, if you are let's say in global, go here in object, one more object is now being added. Now let's go here on the top and click on scale. From here you can define the size of it. So right now it is 25.6 millimeter, and I'm gonna make it 40, and I have since enabled this uniform scale checkbox. If I hit 40, everything will be 40. Now let's say you want to place it at center, and of course since you are not working in parametric environment of a CAD platform, you cannot easily keep it, and here you can see everything is moving just like that. So what you can do is you can make a right click and click on center. Similarly, select your main part, make a right click, and you can see the center is kind of faded out because this part is already in center. Now when you slice this, you will see that the hole will be created. But let's say if you are not satisfied and you do not want two objects to be placed, and in that case you simply select both these objects and then click here on Mesh Boolean. Now here you have got these three options, which are union, intersection, and subtraction. Let's go with subtraction, and then here you already have got part A, which is correct with the shade, then part B, which is generic cylinder that we have just added, and then remove this entity only and then click on execute. Now what will happen is you will see that both the parts are merged together, forming this hole in the bottom, which is exactly we have selected during Mesh Boolean, which is subtract from A minus B, and A was this part which is shade, and then B was that negative part. So in this way guys, we can quickly modify and perform Boolean operation inside Bambu Lab environment. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam for more such various engineering related topics and content, and I will see you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.